To access your header in Microsoft Word, navigate to the top of the page and double-click the left-hand button. You will see here that the header and footer options will open. You can type in your own text to make your header, and then style this how you like. So we can go to the Home tab, we can change the font, you can format it, essentially as you would do normal paragraph text. If you want to erase your header, you can just press delete and get rid of the text, and then double click anywhere outside of that header option with the left-hand mouse button, and again it will disappear. If you navigate to the top toolbar and press Insert and then Header, you have a number of different templates here that you can insert into your document header. If you find one that you like and then click on it, it will automatically insert it for you. Once inserted, you can still customize the header by clicking into it, and then you can edit the text. Once you've finished, you can double-click outside of the header space to shut the header options. If you wish to access them again, double-click with the left-hand mouse button and it will open up your header for editing. You can stylize the text by highlighting it and then going to the home bar and then accessing your fonts, different sizes and stylings, etc. Double-click outside of your header to shut the menu. Another way you can access the header is by pressing Insert, Header, and then navigating to the bottom of the menu and pressing Edit Header or Remove Header to remove it.